Hi friends, Prepared Suburbanite here. Wanted to bring you today our test on our Kelly Kettle. This is the unit that we're going to be using mostly when we go camping or when we go to our bug out location for a source of fire to boil water, get things cooking. Very interesting dynamic about the Kelly Kettles themselves. They come in a nice little tote bag. You get the kettle itself and a fire base, and in here is where you build the fire, and then you set the kettle on here. Now the interesting thing about this is that the kettle is hollow, and the flame and the heat comes up inside to make this Kelly Kettle really a workhorse for boiling water. There's 8 cups of water in here right now. I'm going to get a fire started and we're going to see how long it takes to get this thing to a full boil. So stick with us. Alright, we're going to get the fire started in the kettle base right now. Going to use the Mora knife black and the steel that comes with it, the ferrocerium rod that comes with it. This one is a pretty good ferrocerium rod. There she goes, after a few too many tries. I won't bother you while this fire gets up to speed here, but just to say, it won't take too awful long. Alright, we got the fire going pretty good right now. A couple of safety reminders about playing with fire and the Kelly Kettle is never try to boil water with the cork in the bottle. There's about 8 cups of water, 2 quarts, in here. And be very careful when you're setting it on the fire base that you don't keep your hand over the center chimney. Alright, so there she goes. Going to see how long it's really going to take to bring this water to a full boil. So stay tuned. Right at 2 minutes right now, and the bubbles are starting to form on the inside of the chimney wall. And I'm starting to get bubbles rising up. Two minutes and 41 seconds, 2 minutes and 45. This will burn just about any kind of wood, twigs, sticks. I just happen to have some fat wood around, and it burns very hot and very quickly. So that's what we used for this experiment. 3 minutes and 15 seconds, and I'm going to call it a full boil, because I can see down in there the bubbles are starting to churn. Kelly Kettles are really a great thing. To get the boiling water out of the Kelly Kettle, there's a couple of little tricks, and it'll explain it to you in their little brochure that comes with it. But this handle and this chain allow you to pick this thing up without spilling it and pour boiling water into your cup and push this fire on. So there you have it. I made a mess of it, but I showed you that it works. Be prepared always. This is the Prepared Suburbanite, signing off for now.